In this video, we're going to talk about SwarmLabs. It is a network of specialized AI agents that are going to work together to revolutionize content creation. Now, you may not be a content creator, but guess who are? People on YouTube, people doing TikTok and Instagram. There are hundreds of thousands of people who are content creators that could potentially benefit from this. And if they're benefiting from the content creation being created due to the help of SwarmLabs, you better believe they're going to talk about this token. This is just my opinion, not financial advice. Now let's make this money. So just to give you more context, a swarm of specialized AI agents set to redefine content creation. The agents work together in perfect synergy workflow into simplified and automated videos from concept to finish. Now let's go to their website. This is the lab portion of the website. You have text-to-speech agent, viral audio agent, idea suggester, B-roll agent, editing agent, script writer, growth agent, message bot. Next, let's go to their dashboard. On their dashboard, you can see that it's great or kind of blurred out. And that's because, well, you need a beta testing code. How do we do that? Well, we come over here to the create. Under create, it has where you can sign up for beta testing. So you put in your email address, and then I'm not sure how long you have to wait. I put mine in about an hour ago, still haven't received anything. They also have a white paper. So if you click on the white paper, it gives you some additional information as far as tools they have. They have a text-to-speech, script writing, video editing, music generation, and then, of course, some other stuff here. You can read up all this. And definitely DYOR, do your own research. All of this is very high risk whenever you're dealing with coins on DEXs because they can rug. However, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. Now let's go to the chart so that we can get some more information. The site is gmgn. Make sure to use my link in the description. Using this site, you can actually set lower entry orders. The way we got to this chart is by pasting the contract address into the SOL network. Contract address is located at the very top of SwarmLabs' Twitter page. And there's a lot of really cool things you can do on this site. For example, we can switch to market cap. And we can see that currently it's at a 2.3 million market cap, and our profit levels are at 3.5 million, 4.9 million, 6.8 million. And at each interval, we're selling 50% and letting the rest ride. Just in case this does crazy numbers, we're taking profit on the way up with the potential of this going over 100 million. Some key features I want to show you on this gmgn site is we do see that the Dev sold all their tokens. We also see that this contract is fairly new, only a day old. So the potential is great. There's been over 2,000 transactions within the last hour. It is from Pump Fund. And since the dev sold, the CTO community took it over. On the site, we also show there's a lot of really great information here, guys. That's what I'm saying. gmgn is the place to go. So make sure to use my link. It's in the pinned comments and also in the description. Here we show that we have snipers. Now the snipers, and these are the first 70 people who bought. 60 of them sold everything. We do have 2 that are holding and 8 of them that sold partial. The top 10 holders only hold 17.71%. This is good. You don't want to have it if it's over 30%. For me personally, I don't like seeing it over 20, 25%, but definitely you don't want to see it over 30. They do have an audit. Safe is 4 out of 4. However, this can change at any moment. If I want to buy the dip, I would do this. And as I'm moving this slider to the left, you'll see that this buy goes lower. So I want to put it right on here. Now, I have a video on how to set this up. You're going to want 3 things. 1, Telegram. 2, Phantom Wallet, and 3, gmgn. And then all you want to do is transfer over your funds to your new account. And this is discussed in great detail in this video shown on the screen right now. In this example, let's say I want this to go about 30% lower from where it's at. And the amount of that I want to put in, this is just for demonstration purposes only. I'll put 0.1. I'm going to go to submit order or create order. Once you click on this, it has order created successful. And here's my placed order. Now, let's say I do want to add some right now. What I could do is just go to buy now. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to buy the dip. I'm going to buy the dip a little bit less. So let's say it's going to go down 10% and then have 0.1. I'm going to go to create, and it'll be the same thing. So you can stack your orders. You can have some at negative 10%, minus 30%, minus 70%. All your orders will be just stacked. Now, if I wanted to buy this, I'm going to show you how fast this is to buy. So I'm going to buy 0.1, and I'm going to hit buy. Since it's connected, less than 2 seconds. In less than 2 seconds, I bought this. This is much faster than going to your wallet, getting the contract address, paste it in there, and then everything else. This is so much faster. So I strongly recommend the site gmgn. Once again, check the pin message. Then towards the bottom, we do have some more information here for you. So I'm going to have the double arrows come out. I'm going to click and drag up. Here we can see the activity. We have some people that are selling. We have some people that are buying. And you can also see the position size, the amount of holders, over 3,000 of the holders. And then there's additional information as well. You can go to the traders. You can see a bunch of information here. You can also go to the holders, a bunch of information here. And then they also have like this. You hover over it, says top holder. Hover over this one, it says they got it from the Phantom. You come over this, suspected phishing wallet, token transferred detected. So this person may have multiple wallets and they're just moving the wallets around. Here we have something else. It says Trojan. Here they bought it on GMGN. This one bought it from BullX. Then in addition to all this, you can also go to the bubbles. So on the bubbles, you click on this, it generates this bubble map. If you click on this right here, it'll show you how much they have in their wallet. We have 2.11%. You go down lower, you have another 0.73%. So we can just say 3%. And you can continue going down here, and that's all they have. Same thing with this one. You can click on this. So there's one that has 3% of the total supply. If you click on this one, you can see, go to the very top again. You can see this one has 0.7, keep on going down, 0.46, 0.31, and then that's it. And here, this just says that they have multiple wallets. That's what this is showing you. That's for the holder bubbles. And then if you come down here to the very bottom, you can see this information, the token creator. So we can actually click on this and we can see the activity he has as far as the tokens he's created, his holdings as well, and their recent P&L. Now to get back to the page that you were just on, just go and click on button. If you want to change this back to the price, you can go to the price up here. And then now I do have a limit order that we placed earlier. I'm going to cancel that. So I'm going to go and hit the trash can button. It says the order has been canceled. The information here also shows how much I have of labs, the amount that I bought, total that it costs, $18.87. And of course, your unrealized profit and loss. Now, let's say I want to sell this. Now I'm going to go to sell. So here I can actually set my targets. I want to sell 50. And then if I wanted to sell it, I would just hit sell. And then it would sell 50% of my holdings. There's also an auto. For the auto, you can do a quick buy setting. And now we're just going to go back to the buy section. So that is my thought process on labs. I do believe that SwarmLabs will help several content creators. And since it solves a problem, do you think that the content creators will be talking about this token? If you've gained value from this video, definitely smash the like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure the notification bell is on. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trading can be very difficult. However, it's only as difficult as you make it. Join me every single day. Make sure to ask questions. And I do thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Let's make this money.